what's up guys, welcome to my vlog. This will be a trip video from Toronto to Fort Lauderdale. We're taking a cruise from Fort Lauderdale to Bahamas. As you can see, we are already in Fort Lauderdale. Our shuttle van dropped us off to the hotel. You can see the streets of Fort Lauderdale, a really nice place. So I'll show you our lobby. We sat down and ordered some pizza from the restaurant because it was almost like 11 p.m. when we got there. So this is the next morning. I really had nice breakfast: eggs, pancake, coffee, yogurt and some fruits. I actually took some pictures of all the foods that they were serving. After that we called Uber. The shuttle van was almost $15 per person, so it was cheaper calling Uber for 4 of us. Tama and I actually bought this wristband to prevent us from getting motion sickness, but we really didn't use it. The cruise was way too smoother than we thought. So that's the cruise. It's really big. It's called Liberty of the Sea. So this is my first time actually traveling on a cruise, and it was really worth it. So as you can see, all the procedure before getting to the cruise were almost similar to what we normally do at the airport, like security checking, like custom checking, and you can actually bring your own wines and champagne, but you can't really bring any hard liquors. Now we are already on the cruise, but our rooms were still locked, so we went to grab a quick lunch, a really nice buffet with the Indian style food that I actually love. So there's actually a small computer room where you can access the internet, but internet package you need to buy it. I think it's like $27 per day or something. So that's our room. They will give you this card. With this card you can access all the rooms and buy all the stuff. So our door was jammed or something. So we thought there was a problem with our card, but it wasn't. Like, we actually had to push hard to open the door, and we were able to do it.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Jean-Marc, your important shopping expert here on board, letting you know the doors are now open. So make your way to the platinum.
So I think they open around 2 p.m.
See Nassau port and shopping talk. Make sure at least one guest per station is in attendance.
So let's do a room tour. Nice big king size bed. They also got a decent TV. There was nice big window. You can see the I think the main floor. You can do all the shoppings, and small cafes were there. A nice 2 couches. I'm actually surprised how big the bed were. So let's go and check what's in our washroom. Let's turn on the light. Nice washroom and good shower space. A big mirror. I think the ladies can do their makeup here, I guess. Oh, who's this? Hello. We are on the deck 3, and they were giving away free bracelet, and one of the lucky winner can actually win a diamond bracelet, but we were not that lucky and got the regular ones. It was nice. So after this, we went straight to the 12th floor, so you can actually see adult pool. 12th floor is more like a spa area. So we walked from there and we saw a nice gym. It has almost everything that you normally see in the regular gyms. Also small studio space. And actually, so you can get free ice cream anytime during the day. That's the kids pool. So we are in the arcade. If you are like an arcade lover, you can actually you will actually love this place. And they'll do like a free arcade from 7 to 8 p.m. 1 hour during the day. You can play any game for free. Now we are in 13th floor. There's you can do surfing. I tried that, so you'll see in the later video. Just wait for a few minutes. It was alright for the first time. Oh, there's a rock climbing too. And a basket court. It looks like a semi basket and soccer court. And they let you play soccer.
One last shot.
What do you get?
And in the goal. Alright, that is one.
So that's the slide we tried. I didn't really like it. I got stuck in there. So now we are almost at the front of the cruise, front side of the cruise. So you can see there's a nice big racetrack. There's a small mini golf course too. We didn't get to play that. It was all packed all the time, but we get to take some photos. I love this one. After all the tours, we finally went inside the pool. We swam there for a while and relaxed ourselves. The weather was really perfect. You can see me. Now I'm back in a jacuzzi tub. There were live music playing, but this is probably the DJ set. So the cruise finally started to sail. I don't know if you can see, the people were waving towards us, and we waved them back too. Finally we are leaving from Fort Lauderdale to Bahamas. So we went back and actually started to play all of the fun activities. This was really fun and kind of scary too. So here it is. This is me actually trying for the first time, and that's the instructor telling me what to do. So he'll tell you where to go, and if you are able to do that, and then he'll let you do a stand-up surfing. It was kind of tough for me. I couldn't figure out how to control that. Okay, let's do it. Stand-up was actually more fun for me. I can actually control it, but I couldn't stay longer. Probably like 4 or 5 seconds. Ooh. So that's my last try. I think everyone gets like 3 chances, and if you fail all 3, they'll send the next person. You can see nice sunset. So after the serving, we went back to the hotel, changed our clothes, and we actually booked a nice dinner. Chops Grill. There's 3 different restaurants on the cruise. I think Mexican restaurant, Italian, and that the Chops Grill. We booked a table at the Chops Grill and got ourselves a nice steak dinner. I actually kind of forgot to take the videos, but we had a really good talk and we enjoyed the meal. The service were really good. Everything on the cruise was like on top. I really loved it.
I'm ready next time.
So after the dinner, we were at the silent party. This was fun. I think we stayed there for almost half an hour or more. We got really tired from all the tours, and after this we went back to the 5th floor. Got ourselves a nice tea. I think Tewang got herself a tea and a sandwich. And we actually went to check the casino too. I love this old machine. We found some coin and tried our luck, but didn't win anything. We also saw one of my favorite slot machine. I think it's called Huff and Puff. We put $2 and tried our luck, and you can see what happened. One more try. Last try. Nothing again. We lost our $2. So that was it. That was our first day on the cruise, and it was fun. And thank you for watching. Check the next video.